Hi, baby makeup.
As
Hi.
soon as you're ready, we are ready.
Okay.
I'll wait you outside.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you later.
For today's video, please welcome Miss G Salonga. How are you?
Ngayon, I'm doing great. I'm doing great today. So, how are you guys over there?
Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Phil Dada Vlog. Although I've interviewed some celebrities before, from Alden Richards to Zainab Haraki and all that. So, you must be privileged to be on my channel.
I must be privileged na hindi ko alam Hindi ko to alam
G Salonga, you work sa isang comedy bar.
I work at the Music Box and I happen to be an entertainer there and I perform there any night of the week.
And we work together here.
We work together here, Phil Dada or Dada. I would usually call him Dada. He's my manager. He's our manager here.
The first time I met you was in Adonis. What a place to the first
To meet.
meeting.
What a place to meet. Ang dami distractions, no?
And I was, if I'm not mistaken, I was told by Dax Martin na ikaw nga daw ay kapatid ni Lea Salonga. Kaya napataas ang kilay ko. Seriously?
Yes, our connection is through my dad. We have the same dad. Kaya, that's why we're siblings. We're half siblings. Or if there's such a thing pa, basta we're siblings.
We'll talk further about that, but the reason why I did this interview or the reason kung bakit kita pinukulit is simply because accidentally I took a video of you here at the New Music Box.
Accidentally, yes.
Accidentally.
Totoo
And then
yun.
I uploaded it on my TikTok channel, on my TikTok account, and I was so surprised kasi nagkagulo ang TikTok at every day 100,000 views every day.
Nagulat ako actually, because of that, napilitan ng gumawa ng
TikTok account.
Totoo yun, nag-TikTok account ako dahil sa video yun. So, ang dami talagang nagla-like, ang dami nag-view.
Very engaging. Dahil nag-usap talaga mga tao doon at nag-aaway-away nagtatalo sila doon.
Sa comment box, no?
Yes, and that's the reason why I wanted to do this interview with you. Dahil ako din mismo ay na-intriga din. And ako, at first talaga, hindi ako makapaniwala na may kapatid si Lea Salonga who works in a comedy bar. That's the reason why this interview is happening right now. Just to clear the air, kasi ang iba doon nagsasabi na ikaw si Gerald Salonga.
First of all, it's not Gerald, it's Gerard. And then, ako siya. My name is Jeffrey. That's my real name, but he came before me.
So he's your kuya.
Yes.
And Lea is your ate.
Yes.
Gaano ka layo ang agwat ng edad niyo ni Lea?
Couple of years.
Couple of years.
Yes.
Take me back to the days na, tama ba yung English?
Yes.
Take me back to the days.
Don't be too conscious. Okay lang yan.
Kasi si G Salonga is a product of UP. Kaya ako,
And Ateneo yan.
and Ateneo. Kaya ako ay medyo na-starstruck sa kanya because she's very smart.
Thank you.
No, wait, but G, take me back to those days na ikaw ay bata pa. Were you aware that Lea Salonga is your sister?
Oo, kasi we grew up knowing that we're siblings. So, mula nung young pa kami, alam na namin. It wasn't something that we didn't know. We knew ever since.
Ever since?
Yes.
Okay, were there times or instances na nag-meet kayo ni Lea during your childhood days?
Yes. Our dad would, bring us together pag there times for weekends, we would play together. Yung mga building blocks like Lego, ganun.
Ang social kasi wala yan sa aming probinsya. Kasi kami piko-piko kami doon tubig-tubigan.
Pero I'm sure meron na ngayon.
No, wait, but let's clear some issues here. Okay, ang sabi doon sa comment section is, kayo ang other family, si Lea ang original or first family. Can you enlighten us, please?
But their family came before us. Tapos kaming sumunod. Ganun.
So your dad has a first family prior to Lea's family?
As far as I know, yes.
So, my first family si Daddy, second family kayo, or sila Lea,
Yes.
and third family kayo. Okay. So, both of you don't belong to the first family.
Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin, may mga kapatid pa kayo ni Lea from first family.
Yes. Oh.
Would you know kung ilan kayo lahat na mag-siblings sa dad mo?
Sa dada,
Yes.
kasama na kami.
Yes, because kapatid kayo ni Lea sa dad.
9 kami lahat.
9 kayo lahat. And did you get to meet all these 9 siblings?
Yes. Except, yes. Yeah, magkakilala kami lahat.
Oh, okay. I know this is quite personal, but paano ang suporta ng daddy niyo sa iba't ibang pamilya?
He made sure that all of us got to somehow finish our study. He made sure, talagang gusto niya yun for all of us, na makatapos kami lahat. So he made sure that all of us had a very good education.
Wow, nice. Okay, let's get to know you first kasi you are in a spotlight for the benefit of our viewers. So, malaman din nila kung sino si G Salonga.
Okay.
You are performing sa isang comedy bar like here in Quezon City, here sa Music Box, regularly.
Regularly.
And then, what about your school?
I went to school, elementary, grade school, high school. I went to Ateneo de Manila. And then, I enrolled college in University of the Philippines. I took up Bachelor of the Arts, Fine Arts, and majored in Visual Communication. That's it.
Wow, impressive.
Interesting, right? Charot.
Interesting. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala. Charot. But how do you deal with criticisms about you, people asking or parang questioning about your being siblings sa Leia?
How do you deal with that? If the question is answerable, why not? If it's not too personal, why not? If it's not invasive, why not? I would answer the question.
Pressured ka ba na kapatid mo si Leia Salonga?
Before, when I was younger, because I would, but now, wala naman. Kasi there's no need naman to, compete or keep up. Wala namang ganun eh. Wala naman. There's no pressure like that. Not anymore. Wala nang ganun.
Were there instances na nag-bonding kayo ni Leia? May mga maalala ka ba?
Yes, of course. There are times that I would watch her performances here, we watched her concerts here. I was able to see one of her musicals here. Yeah, there are times I would visit her sa set ng The Voice.
Talaga?
Yes. Yes.
So talagang may connection kayo?
Yes, it was, lang naman, talagang hindi lang alam ng lahat. But magkakilala naman talaga kami. Alam naman.
Yun kasi mga impression ng mga tao na hindi ka accepted nila
Walang
Leia,
ganon.
that your family is not accepted by Leia's family, blah 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 blah. Ang daming nagmamarunong sa social media, no?
Yes, marami nga. Pero, these things you don't mind. We don't mind.
How about now, as we are talking right now, are you still in a good relationship with Leia?
Of course! If you get to see this, sis, we call each other sis, by the way. Sis, no.
The first time I've seen Leia was during her theater play, and I
Yes.
was really so amazed kasi first time ko nakapanood ng theater play. At since then, sobrang na-shock ako at sobrang na-amaze ako sa mga tao na nagpe-perform sa theater. Sobrang taas ng respeto ko sa kanila.
Yes.
Kasi wala siyang take to.
Wala.
Talagang tuloy-tuloy yung mga dialogue. So dapat bawal kang magkamali at bawal kang maging bobo. Yun ang pakiramdam.
Around her, well, that's the, hindi naman niya dinidiman yun. Pero, that's the feeling that everyone gets. That's the general feeling everyone gets when they're around Leia, when you're around Leia. Hindi, sometimes, parang, ganun yung feeling kasi ng lahat, ewan ko, because she's very efficient, she's very intelligent, she's very smart, kaya misconstrued na kailangan maging perfect ka din around her. You don't have to.
No, but I'm not just talking about Leia, but I'm speaking sa lahat ng mga theater actors. Sobrang galing talaga nila. Hindi siya parang pelikula na pinapanood lang natin. Sa theater kasi, wala talaga take to take.
Walang
tuloy
take-to-take,
talaga.
yes.
Oo.
Hindi mo may edit. Sa theater kasi, hindi mo may edit out yung mga mistakes.
Exactly, oo.
Kung meron man. That's why, rehearse para pag na-stage na, perfect, efficient na yung excellent na yung product na ilalabas. Samantalang I think because I'm just speaking for my own point of view, sa feeling ko lang. Yung mga naman, behind the camera, or in front of the camera, parang may chance silang to redeem themselves kung nagkamali sila. Pwede nilang i-correct yung magkakamali kasi may take two, may retake.
Okay, G and I get along very well.
Yes, we do. We
Oo,
do.
sobrang. I don't know, why? Would you know?
I guess, naghahanap ka ng someone who's really willing to listen to whatever, di ba? And I always have an ear for people who are interested in telling their stories without any frills, yung hindi naman para to grandstand or to make an impression, but to tell their story as honestly as they can. All it takes, for me I'm sharing this with everyone, all it takes is the willingness to listen. In fact, marami ka pang matututunan pag handa ka makinig.
That's very nice. So, ako kasi,
All
medyo,
goods.
tawag dyan, passive kasi ako, right? Nakikiramdam ako sa mga tao. And G is one of the performers here na talagang, I am so comfortable with.
Thank you. I feel the same
Pag
way.
nag-makeup ka sa dressing room talaga, andun ako, nakakunganga sa'yo.
Nagchichikan kami.
Yeah, and I don't do that with everybody. Not that I'm being picky or not that I'm
But you are picky.
No, I'm not. But ano lang, ang tawag dyan, marunong na ako makiramdam.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, yun.
Tsaka, ano pa eh, na-overtake ka minsan ng hiya. Parang, or para feeling mo hindi naman maging interesado sa sabihin mo. So,
Or at the other guy or the other...
doesn't show interest.
Yes, or kung sa tingin ko intimidating yung ibang tao, you know, I back off, you know. Parang
Ganun siyang
huwag ka
type.
na lang pumunta sa laban pag hindi mo kaya. You know what I mean? I know where to place myself. Parang gano'n.
He's more of an introvert. Ganun, introverted siya. Pero, pag nahanap niya yung tao, mag-open up siya.
I like to stay in my territory. I respect people's territory. So, ganun ako na klase na. Very recently, na-involve si Leia sa isang controversy about sa theater, controversy sa abroad, okay? But I've met Leia several times. Once in New York, and I had an encounter with her, with Kuya Bunda, and she's so nice. She's just the
She's
nicest.
very gracious and very polite.
Yes, exactly. Napaka-smart, well, wala akong pagkakataon na nakipag-usap sa kanya, pero andun ako up close and personal at napaka-down to earth niya.
Yes, she's very humble. Wala naman kasi, I do believe that she doesn't find any need to, marami, grandstand, and feel like a star. Wala namang ganun.
Yeah.
Wala siyang ganun.
Oo. Anyway, thanks G for guesting on my
And thank you so much.
YouTube channel. I hope this will not be the last.
This
time
won't be the
that
last.
We'll be talking for
Mhm.
sure.
And if this trends, I swear, I'm going to put up my well, meron akong YouTube channel, pero baka i-activate ko lalo.
I am also showing you guys the video that I uploaded on TikTok that almost like 1 million views because of G.
Yes.
That was surprising, and a lot of you guys are waiting for this interview, so here it is. So thank you so much. Again, thank you for watching. Bihig ka nga dyan.
Filter mo to.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you could press the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.